Yeah. This is my first ever photo with any actor like this. But I remember this was after me watching him solve this Rubik's Cube. He does it really fast.
Hey Ali, we are taking a quick trip down your memory lane. We have dug up some pictures of you and we want to hear the stories behind each one.
Okay. It's a very sweet photo with my mother. मुझे इसकी कोई मेमोरी नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत छोटा हूँ मैं. ये शायद दिल्ली की है. मेरे ख्याल से दिल्ली जीके में कहीं है ये हमारे दादा के घर पे है शायद. हाँ, क्योंकि ये लखनऊ मैच नहीं कर रहा है. लखनऊ इज वेयर आई ग्रू अप विद हर. तो फॉर द लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ आई जस्ट रिमेंबर द स्मेल. उनके यू नो दुपट्टे या समथिंग, सम परफ्यूम. I can remember that very clearly in this time. So not in this photo, I don't know, but it's the same time I remember. Next. Okay, this is a fun one. This is classic. It is like the first time मतलब ऐसा Bobby De Niro was in Bombay. Apparently he had pissed off a lot of the people at the Lit Fest. गोवा में हुआ था. उस टाइम मैं बॉबी जासूस शूट कर रहा था विद्या के साथ. And Diya was producing it, Diya Mirza. One night I got a call saying, listen, kya kar rahe ho? And I think through the years, everybody knows how big a fan I've been of Brando. So I think maybe she guessed it. She called me. She said, I got a surprise for you. कोई आया हुआ है अनुपम खेर के आई थिंक जुहू में था एक्टर प्रिपेयर्स पहले. वहाँ पे आई थिंक हम लोग सब मिले थे. आई डिडंट रियलाइज. नाउ आई एम सीइंग आदि इज आल्सो देयर. सतीश कौशिक के सब हैं यहाँ. राकेश मेहरा इज देयर. और वी केम लाइक किड्स. जैसे अपने अपने सब लेके आए थे ऑटोग्राफ लेने. अनिल कपूर सर वाज लाइक देयर विद 4 DVDs एंड ऑल एंड नो समथिंग. बट मैंने बहुत अजीब सी चीज़ की थी जिसका मुझे रिग्रेट है. ये जो जैकेट पहना है ना रॉबर्ट डे नीरो, इनकी जैकेट के साइड पॉकेट में मैंने एक लेटर फिसला दिया था यार. एक लाइन लिखी थी उस पर सिर्फ. तो वो लाइन नहीं बताऊंगा बट लिखा था मैंने. देन आरके वेंट एंड डिड वन लाइन एंड में यू टॉक टू मी हिज टैक्सी ड्राइवर्स. आई वाज लाइक अरे यार ये तो लेजेंड है सामने, मत करो. वेरी स्वीट. इट वाज स्वीट. इट वाज ऑल आई थिंक वी वर ऑल लाइक बिग फैंस. तो इट केम आउट ऑफ प्योर लव. Oh man, this is a sweet picture. This is Paul Walker. This is on Fast and Furious, of course. It was his birthday that day actually. We clicked this. I was really excited to meet him. I was a big fan of his work. I mean, I'd seen all his other films and people haven't seen his films actually. They're really good. And he's damn good. Like, you know, one of the really good actors on that team. We lost him on the same shoot, midway. And in fact, again, similar time, because I was on, again, Bobby Jasus only. Yeah, he was really cool. I had some nice, interesting conversations with him. Anyway, next.
Ali, tell us honestly, are you method acting with a balloon or just celebrating while posing? Well, we gave this picture a little twist. We've added a balloon using the sketch to image feature on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. What do you think?
I wish I was holding a balloon. I would have had a story then, because in the middle of a desert in Alula, that balloon would have probably burst because it was very hot. वो जल्दबाजी में जाके हमने click कर लिया था. This is clicked by my DOP for Kandahar, the movie we shot. Oh man, this is OG. This is OG. This is like, can you see this? I mean, that's Mr. Pacino. This was the premiere happening in London, and I was shooting. I think I was there for Death on the Nile. I was late. I ran across Regent Street, Oxford Street, and into this area. I've just gone in and I just entered यार. I realized 2-3 बॉडीगार्ड जैसे थोड़ा बड़े से थे. वो बहुत तैनात हो गए थे कि कोई आया है. Luckily nobody like shoved me out and all. तो इज्जत बच गई थोड़ी. Then of course I told him what I was working on and he was very happy and we knew we had common people. This has been my biggest star like struck moment. Okay. Oh, this is sweet. अरे आ गए, मुद्दे पे आ गए आज, है ना? ये मैं हूँ, फातिमा, बासुदा. Very very important scene in the film. I took this photo. It's a sweet photo. This was first day of shoot. नहीं, second day of shoot. बहुत ही heavy scene था. पूरा भिगा दिया था. Oh God. the record, my wife has framed this photo and for some reason kept it in the room. This is a random day. For some random reason, I have walked, है ना? I walked for वीरदास का वो था. He had done one random like his collection or something. ऐसे ही चले गए थे. मतलब open बिल्कुल. Oh man, this is old. This is really old. ये फोटो बहुत पुरानी है. मतलब उतनी पुरानी भी नहीं. मैं इतना पुराना नहीं हूँ. But ये खबर की है. I was visiting my father in Saudi when he used to work there for a little while. And छुट्टियों में मैं जाता था. Yeah, it's before my arm broke, I think, my shoulder. So, I think it's before that. Okay. Oh, this is iconic. So sweet. This is Sridevi ma'am. This is my like fan moment, yaar. This happened at the Hollywood Press Association ka dinner. Hollywood Foreign Press Association, the HFPA, which is for the Globes. And the Globes dinner was happening, I think, before. This is in LA only. And she was there, and it's so sweet that moment. Like she was very particular about her light. So she just asked me कि इधर आ जाना, थोड़ा सा इधर खिसक जाओ. It's so cool. Like even in that moment, she's just aware of where the light is coming from. हम लोग ऐसे candid खींच लेते हैं कहीं भी. But I mean that's a true star यार. भाई छन्ना. ओ हाँ ये पैंडेमिक में यार. ये तो अभी पैंडेमिक की. हाँ करेक्ट. इतनी दाढ़ी तभी उगी है मेरी. मतलब कोई काम वाम किसी के पास था नहीं. यही कर रहे थे. ये बन गए थे हम लोग ये. क्योंकि this is the one time we were acquainted with kitchen appliances in a real way. So by the end of 1 year, I think conversations were happening. ये उसी की एक photo है. How stupid. Okay. Oh, this is after the infamous killing of Munna Bhaiya. Post deserved assassination. This was a very, very heavy day for us. Yeah, I think this is clearly after we shot because we were all very stressed the whole day. But yeah, iconic. This is season 2 end. Oh, legend. Arey yaar, this is iconic yaar. This is just one of those moments like film ही पिट गई यार. Shit, but this was such a cool moment of just sharing screen space with Baba and Dada in the same film, and Manisha Koirala. It was legendary. This was really cool. Good fun we had. This is Satish Kaushik sir. I mean, he passed away recently, so that's just a sad photo. But it was a really fun time we had. Holi पे हम usually शबाना मैम जावेद साहब के यहाँ मिलते हैं. वहाँ पे अक्सर काफ़ी लोग होते हैं. It's a really sweet time, and I think they've really honed in the celebration of Holi in the best way possible. Oh man, this is really sweet. This is my first film. Like, yeah, all of these people I love dearly. Red Chillies produced it. This was directed by Roshan Abbas, Satya, Zoya, Gisali, me, SRK. Oh, okay. That's the happiest day of my life. That's a wedding day. And that's actually a really good photo. It's a very nice photo. Yeah, nothing more said. I think this is the best day of my life. Like, I'm living it. Yeah. This is really old. This is 3 Idiots, man. This is my first ever photo with any, actor like this. I don't know कौन से phone पे लिया है. But I remember this was after me watching him solve this Rubik's Cube. He does it really fast. And I used to feel very cool that time because I used to solve it in like some 2 minutes or something. I don't remember what the time was. And then I saw him, he went like 55 seconds. It's like, shit yaar, ye kya hai? Tumhe to aur seekhna padega. Then I saw him playing chess. Then I saw him playing reading books. Like, what the hell, man? Like, this is somebody like... And so that was the equivalent cute emoji that I could find for my daughter. And I just out of a BJJ class that I had in Goa somewhere. And she was at the beach. So, yeah. Now she's sleeping.
While you were sharing your stories, we created this portrait of you using Portrait Studio on the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Looks great, right? All it needs now is your autograph.
Oh my God, that's the corruption of our times, है ना? That's so cool. Yeah, I've not tried it before. That's so cool. What? Thank you.